Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to edit a TikTok video on PC. Here are the steps to edit a TikTok video on PC using CapCut for Windows. First is to download and install the CapCut. Go to CapCut.com and download the Windows version. Launch CapCut. Open CapCut from your desktop or your Start menu. Click New Project. From the home screen, select New Project or Create New, then choose TikTok size to begin editing. Import your TikTok video. Click Import or drag and drop your video file into the media panel. Drag video to the timeline. Move your imported video from the media panel to the timeline below. Trim or split the video. Move the playhead to the scene you want to cut. Use the scissors tool or right-click, then click Split to split, then click Delete or rearrange unwanted parts. Add text or captions. Click the Text tab to add heading or add body text. Then type out your caption. You can customize the font, color, and animation. Add music or sound effects. Click Audio, then go to Music or Sound Effects to use built-in tracks or import your own audio file. Then drag it to the timeline. Apply filters or effects. Go to the Effects or Filters tab and drag your desired effect to the video track. Add transitions. If you split or combine clips, go to the Transition tab and drop a transition between clips. Preview your video. Hit the play button to watch your video and check for timing, audio sync, and final edits. Export the video. Click the Export button at the top right. Choose the file name and resolution, and click Export to save it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.